What if I told you that the first 30 days with ServiceTitan could be the most transformative month for your service business? Not just in terms of software adoption, but in how you approach efficiency, customer satisfaction, and ultimately your bottom line. You've likely heard the buzz around ServiceTitan, the industry-leading all-in-one software solution for home service businesses. Maybe you've just signed up, you're in the midst of your onboarding, or you're seriously considering making the leap. Regardless of where you stand, the question on everyone's mind is, what really happens during those crucial first 30 days? Is it overwhelming? Is it revolutionary? Or is it somewhere in between? Today, we're pulling back the curtain to give you an unfiltered look at what to expect during your initial month with ServiceTitan. We'll cover everything from the initial setup and training to the early wins and common challenges. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and expectations you need to not just survive, but thrive during this critical period. So, buckle up, because we're about to demystify the ServiceTitan onboarding journey. The moment you sign up for ServiceTitan, you're not just getting a piece of software, you're gaining a partner. The first few days are all about setting the foundation. This typically kicks off with your dedicated onboarding specialist reaching out to schedule your initial consultation. This isn't just a sales call in disguise. It's a deep dive into your business operations, your current pain points, and your long-term goals. They'll want to understand your existing workflows, your current software or lack thereof, and how your team currently operates. This information is crucial because it allows them to tailor the ServiceTitan implementation to your specific needs, not just a generic template. Think of it as building the blueprint for your digital transformation. Following this initial consultation, the real work begins: data migration. This is often the most daunting part for new users, and understandably so. You've accumulated years, possibly decades, of customer data, service history, pricing, and more. ServiceTitan understands this, and their team works diligently to import your existing data into the new system. This process requires your active participation. You'll likely be asked to provide your data in a specific format, and there will be back-and-forth communication to ensure accuracy. While this can feel tedious, remember that clean, accurate data is the backbone of an effective ServiceTitan setup. Dedicate time and resources to this phase, as a solid data foundation will save you countless headaches down the line. Once your data starts popping, the training wheels come on. ServiceTitan's training program is comprehensive, but it's also designed to be digestible. You'll typically have a series of online training sessions, often in a webinar format, covering different modules of the software. These sessions will introduce you to the core functionalities: dispatching, scheduling, invoicing, customer management, and mobile app usage for your technicians. It's a lot to take in, so don't expect to become an expert overnight. Take notes, ask questions, and don't be afraid to revisit training materials. ServiceTitan also provides a wealth of self-help resources, including detailed articles, video tutorials, and a robust knowledge base. Leverage these resources. They are your best friends during this learning curve. Now, let's talk about the practical application. Around week 2 or 3, you'll start to see ServiceTitan come to life. Your dispatchers will begin using the scheduling board, your technicians will be using the mobile app in the field, and your office staff will be processing invoices through the system. This is where the rubber meets the road, and it's also where you'll start to encounter the inevitable bumps in the road. There will be questions, there will be moments of confusion, and there might even be a few frustrated sighs. This is completely normal. Change is hard, and adapting to a new system takes time. Encourage your team to communicate openly about their challenges and celebrate their small victories. One of the biggest shifts during this period will be in your technicians' workflow. The ServiceTitan mobile app is incredibly powerful, but it requires a change in habits. Your technicians will go from paper invoices and manual calculations to digital forms, integrated pricing, and instant access to customer history. This transition can be a game changer for efficiency and professionalism, but it requires patience and consistent reinforcement. Consider having dedicated training sessions for your technicians, focusing on the features they'll use most frequently. Emphasize how the app will simplify their lives and empower them to provide better service. As you near the end of your first 30 days, you should start to feel a sense of momentum building. You'll likely have processed dozens, if not hundreds, of jobs through ServiceTitan. You'll be generating invoices, tracking technician performance, and gaining valuable insights into your business metrics. This is also the time to reflect on what's working well and what still needs fine-tuning. Your onboarding specialist will likely schedule a follow-up call to assess your progress and address any lingering questions or issues. Don't hesitate to voice your concerns. This is their opportunity to help you optimize your setup. Beyond the technical aspects, the first 30 days with ServiceTitan are also about cultivating a new mindset. It's about embracing digital transformation and recognizing the power of data-driven decision-making. You'll start to see opportunities for automation that you never knew existed, and you'll gain a clearer picture of your business's strengths and weaknesses. The initial investment of time and effort will begin to pay off in tangible ways. Reduced administrative burden, improved customer communication, and a more streamlined operation. Remember, the goal isn't perfection on day 30. It's about progress, learning, and continuous improvement. ServiceTitan is a robust platform with a vast array of features, and you won't utilize every single one in your first month. Focus on mastering the core functionalities that are most critical to your daily operations. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually explore advanced features and integrations. The first 30 days with ServiceTitan are an exciting and challenging journey. It requires commitment, patience, and a willingness to embrace change. But if you approach it with an open mind and a proactive attitude, you'll lay a solid foundation for long-term success. You'll empower your team, delight your customers, and unlock the true potential of your service business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.